we guide you through how to remove a Microsoft account from your Windows 11 PC quickly and safely. Start by opening Settings, then click Accounts on the left side, select Email and Accounts, and under Account used by other apps or other accounts. Find the Microsoft account you want to remove, click it, and choose Remove. Then, confirm when Windows asks if you are sure. If Windows won't let you remove it, it's because you're currently signed in with that account. So, first switch to a local account. To do that, go back to the accounts, select your info, then click Sign in with a local account instead, and follow the steps to create a local username and password. After signing back in with the local account, return to email and accounts. Select the Microsoft account again, and now the remove button will work. Once removed, the account is completely disconnected from your PC, including OneDrive sync, Microsoft Store login, and email access.